Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing your work regularly. So, children, I already introduced you about phonics. So, today we are going to learn our new topic. So, quickly open page number 17. Open your page number 17. So, our today's topic is D's and Dad. This. The is. This. Th. The. Is. The is. This. And that. The at. That. Th. The at. That. These and that. So, children, our today's topic is these and that. Okay? Now, you all ready to learn? Very good. So, first we learn about these. First we learn about these. We use these when we have described the things which is nearer to us. हम these का यूज कब करेंगे बच्चों? जब कोई चीज हमसे हमारे पास हो, हमारे नजदीक हो, हम उसको टच कर सकते हो, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? these. We describe the things which is near to us. We use these. So, example, this is a pen because I touched the pen. Pen is near to me. Got it, children? So, we use these to describe the thing which is nearer to us. Got it? Now, we learn about that. When we use that, हम that का use कब करेंगे? So, when we have described the things is far from us, we use that. जब कोई भी चीज हमसे दूर हो, जिसको सिर्फ हम देख सकते हैं बट टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो वी यूज that. Example of that. The pen is far from me, so we use that. That is a pen. Because वो पेन मेरे से बहुत दूर है. I can't touch. Okay, children? So, you understand about this and that. So, let's start. यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर है. ओके? ये बॉल है, बॉय है और ये बैट है. So, first of all, we use these for the ball because ball is near to the boy. Okay? ball boy से नजदीक है, तो boy क्या बोलेगा? This is a ball because ball boy से नजदीक है. So, this is a ball. And that is a bat. Bat इससे बहुत दूर है. So, boy say, that is a bat. That, that is a bat. जो चीज आपके पास है, उसके लिए आप क्या यूज करोगे? This. और जो चीज आपसे दूर है उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? टैट। गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में कौन से क्या क्या दिख रहा है आपको? रैट, बॉय एंड कैट। सो कैट बॉय से नजदीक है। बॉय के पास में कौन सा एनिमल है? कैट है। और रैट उससे दूर है। सो वी यूज दिस फॉर कैट एंड वी यूज दैट फॉर रैट। ओके, सो रीड दिस सेंटेंस। THIS, this is a cat. This is a cat. And that is a rat. That is a rat. Okay, next picture में है, here is a fox and here is a dog. Which one is near to the boy? Right, dog. Dog नजदीक है ना? So we use this for dog and that for fox. Now you know very well how to read this sentence. This is a dog and that is a fox. Very good. Next, which picture is this? Jug. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. And which picture is this? Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Mug. कौन सा पिक्चर बॉय से नजदीक है? जग. सो वी यूज दिस फॉर जग एंड वी यूज दैट फॉर मग. सो रीड दिस सेंटेंस चिल्ड्रन. दिस इज ए जग and that is a mug. Very good. Now turn the page. Next, which picture is this? यहाँ पे कौन से पिक्चर दिख रहा है आपको? This is a hen and that is a egg. That is an egg because hen is near and egg is far. Hen is near from the boy and egg is far from the boy. So we use this is a hen and that is an egg. We use an over here because E is a vowel. Don't forget this, children. Next, here is a queen and king. So we use queen. What we are going to use over here? These, because queen is near and the king is far. Okay, so this is a queen and that is a king. Next, which picture is this? Apple. An apple because here is a vowel. An orange. Here is also a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. Our 5 vowels are A-E-I-O-U. So vowel के आगे हमें क्या लगाना है? A-N, N. So we use this for orange and that for apple because apple is a far from the boy and orange is a near. Okay, this is an orange, that is an apple. Okay, next picture. Which picture is this? Van. And which picture is this? Bus. So which picture is near to the boy? Yes, bus. Bus is a near and van is a far. So we use this for bus. This is a bus. B-U-S. Bus. Bus. And that is a van. V-A-N. V-A-N. Van. Last. Which picture is this? Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Pot is a near from the boy. And which picture is this? Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Cot. So cot is a far from the boy. So we use this for pot and that for cot. So read this sentence. This is a pot. That is a cot. Understand, children? Okay. Do practice at home. Bye.